YouTube, welcome back, guys. So I have another PACSUN that I'm gonna unwrap this. This is from my son that he orders. There's a guest tee and socks, track pants. Some of that has socks is 30% off, and then the track pants was like 50% off. But the guest was regular price because he got the $20 gift card. But he needs to spend some extra money on top of that. You gotta spend $50 in order to get the free shipping. So let's go ahead and get this started. I think there's an invoice in here. I'm gonna take it out. All right, it says right here, guess PAL green / pink, $44, and then get the baggy jogger purple color, size small, regular price $49.99, and then discount is $25, so become $24.99. And then you have this classic L gray, one size fit all, $15, $4.50 off. So the socks is $10.50. Okay. And here is the total damage. So let's go ahead and get this taken out of the bag. So this is the track pants. Purple, small size. I don't know, he likes colorful. Guess he wants to stand out. Well, actually, this is pretty nice. That is the barcode from PACSUN. Wow, look on the side, you got the pink and bluish on this purple track pants. Got your left deep mesh pockets. Look at that. And on the back you have left and right rear pockets. It is stitched in, so you need to cut the thread in order to have working pockets. Got the elastic waist band. You got this PACSUN, the boss PACSUN emblem. And on the cuff is elastic too. And you have this nice and thick draw cord to make it tighter. Here's the right hand side pocket, pretty deep. So you gotta have deep pockets, all right? Check out the inside. You see through all the pockets are mesh. And then this is the rear pockets. Got two rear, two front. Check out the label real quick. Exclusive of decoration. Okay. And on the back you got the care instruction. Alright. Go ahead and check out the socks. Then this one is the, wow, pretty nice material. Hopefully it's not gonna rip because he tends to rip the socks easy. One pair ankle socks, and then this is size 6 to 12. This is Champion. Authentic athletic apparel. Got a Champion logo right here on both sides. Show you guys there's a Champion on the bottom of the feet. All right, and this one is the Guess shirt. If you guys don't know, Guess they tend to make their shirt pretty big. I mean, their size runs pretty big. You got the size medium last time, it fit more like a large. So you guys need to be careful when you buy stuff on Guess. Make sure you get that one size smaller. Oops, I forgot to show you guys a barcode. So this one is the green and pink. Not sure why it says oversized. I guess that's why you need to get a size smaller, because it's oversized. Wow, this one is pretty thick. So you got one label, two label. And then this triangular oversized black label. And it says Guess Los Angeles. Made in India. Okay. So you got this embossed print. Some of them they have stitching or embroidery on here, but this one's it's like a heat press. So you got the Guess Los Angeles. I'm not sure how come they didn't put this in green, because it blends in pink and pink. Doesn't look that stand out. And this is the short sleeve. Nice, pretty nice soft fabric. Somehow Guess they always have this long label. It's a pretty small print care instruction. I guess it's a quality check sticker, quality control. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. And then stay tuned for the on-body fit. I'll see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.